Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to unlock or remove your screen password or any lock. Okay, like it may be depends on the fingerprint lock, face lock, pattern lock, any lock. Okay, any lock you can remove on this video. Okay, so friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So firstly, here I am clicking on this setting. When I move on the setting from here, I just scroll down to the option of the security. So friends, here you can see the security. So just click on this security. When you click on the security, after that here again you have to scroll on the down to screen lock. Okay, so friends, here you have to click on this screen lock. When you click on this screen lock, if you have set your fingerprint lock, please confirm your fingerprint lock, and if you set your face lock, please confirm your face lock. Okay, I set here pattern lock, so I confirm here my pattern lock. Okay, so if you want to remove your lock or if you want to unlock the lock screen lock, okay, so firstly what you need to do is that just click on this none option, and here it says a pattern protects your phone if its locks are stolen, but we don't worry. Okay, you just click on delete. When you click on the delete, here your pattern lock or fingerprint lock, face lock, pin lock, password, the screen password will be unlocked successfully. Okay, it has been removed successfully, so you can remove any screen lock like this easily. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.